Germany has officially approved a €3.75 billion procurement program for 20 Eurofighter jets under the Advanced Tranche 5 configuration, signaling a significant modernization of the Luftwaffe and a decisive shift in European air combat capabilities. The aircraft, slated for delivery between 2031 and 2034, are intended to replace the aging Tornado fleet while simultaneously expanding Germany's electronic warfare and multi-role strike capacity. This move not only strengthens national defense but also ensures that Germany continues to provide substantial operational support to NATO, particularly in areas requiring suppression of enemy air defenses and electronic combat operations. The decision follows an intensive budgetary process within the Bundestag, which confirmed the allocation as part of a broader arms procurement package covering air, land, and naval programs. The Tranche 5 Eurofighter represents the next evolutionary step in the platform's development, integrating electronic warfare capabilities from the outset rather than as retrofitted upgrades. These aircraft are equipped with electronically scanned AESA radars, modular avionics, and digital jamming systems designed to absorb the Tornado's electronic combat reconnaissance (ECR) mission. The EK electronic warfare standard embedded in these jets ensures that the Luftwaffe can maintain a credible and sustainable electronic attack capability well into the 2030s. Compared to legacy Tornadoes, the Tranche 5 Eurofighters offer higher operational availability, enhanced kinematic performance, and significantly deeper growth potential for future mission systems, making them far more capable across multiple combat scenarios. Alongside the aircraft procurement, the German government has approved a €412 million investment to upgrade flight and tactical simulators. These simulators are designed to mirror the operational increments of the new Tranche 5 jets, allowing pilots to train on advanced radar modes, digital jamming, and electronic warfare tactics before transitioning to the operational fleet. By synchronizing training infrastructure with aircraft capabilities, Germany ensures that crews are fully prepared to exploit the sophisticated features of the new jets from day one. This approach not only reduces the learning curve but also supports a coherent pipeline from theoretical instruction to cockpit proficiency, a key factor in maintaining readiness for high-intensity air operations. Tranche 5 builds on the lessons and technological advances of previous Eurofighter iterations. The initial Tranche 1 models established the baseline air defense capabilities and gradually evolved toward limited swing role functions. Tranche 2 incorporated updated processing and avionics systems, enabling broader weapon integration and multi-role employment. Tranches 3 and 3A introduced growth provisions and defensive aids enhancements, paving the way for advanced sensors such as AESA radars and expanded networking capabilities. Germany's Tranche 4, associated with the Quadriga standard, mainstreamed AESA technology and refreshed avionics, creating a solid foundation for long-term upgrades. Tranche 5 takes this trajectory further, pairing AESA-equipped airframes with a dedicated electronic warfare roadmap, ensuring that EK features are designed in from the start rather than added later. This forward-looking design strategy streamlines future enhancements in radar, mission systems, and weapons integration, providing a scalable and sustainable path for Luftwaffe modernization. From an operational perspective, the Tranche 5 program converts years of planning and budgetary intent into tangible capability. Beyond the 20 new-build jets, the program includes qualification activities for electronic warfare systems through 2033. This encompasses integration of digital self-protection suites, escort jamming capabilities, anti-radiation weapons, and associated test infrastructure at the Eurofighter System Support Center. By developing a robust verification and testing backbone, Germany ensures that the fleet can effectively execute suppression and destruction of enemy air defenses, SEAD/DEAD, missions, a task previously reliant on aging Tornado platforms. The result is a coherent, long-term plan that aligns aircraft delivery, electronic warfare maturation, and operational deployment, ensuring a credible and sustainable capability for NATO operations. The advantages of Tranche 5 over earlier models are significant. The AESA radar provides superior detection and tracking performance, faster revisit rates, and better handling of low observable targets, along with embedded electronic attack options. These improvements greatly enhance survivability in contested airspace, while consolidating air-to-air, precision strike, and electronic combat functions onto a single platform reduces logistical complexity and concentrates combat power where it matters most. In comparison to the Tornado, Tranche 5 offers modern survivability suites, increased availability, and more flexible growth potential, all while assuming the ECR mission with digital sensors and jamming capabilities that would be prohibitively expensive to retrofit onto older airframes. Against the F-35A, the Tranche 5 Eurofighter is complementary rather than duplicative. While the F-35A provides very low observable penetration, advanced sensor fusion, and nuclear sharing responsibilities, the Eurofighter emphasizes sustained air superiority, rapid reaction alert, high payload swing roll strike, and, following EK maturation, electronic escort and SEAD/dead operations at scale. Together, these platforms share sensor and targeting data to optimize the overall effectiveness of Germany's fast jet fleet. The Tranche 5 package also provides several critical capability pillars for the Luftwaffe. First, all new aircraft come with an AESA-equipped baseline ready for iterative software and mission mode growth, including advanced air-to-air and air-to-surface functions. Second, the EK electronic warfare standard integrates digital wideband receivers, precise geolocation, and escort jamming options, enabling the full migration of the Tornado ECR mission. Third, enhanced mission computing and modular avionics support future data links, low probability of intercept communications, and cooperative electronic warfare techniques. Fourth, the upgraded training architecture ensures that operational crews can absorb new radar, electronic warfare, and weapons capabilities before they are deployed. Finally, the program supports industrial continuity for European sensor and mission system production, ensuring that long-term upgrades and spare part availability remain feasible. Strategically, this decision reflects Germany's commitment to collective defense at a time of persistent air and missile threats. The Tranche 5 Eurofighters enhance Germany's ability to conduct credible SEAD operations in support of Allied air campaigns while meeting NATO capability requirements. The broader budgetary agenda underscores this rearmament approach, encompassing land, naval, and communication programs that integrate medical and airdroppable vehicles, bridging systems, and digitized training centers. By synchronizing investments across multiple domains, Germany is cultivating a more coherent and capable force structure, capable of responding to emerging threats in a highly contested security environment. Financially, the Tranche 5 procurement is set at approximately €3.75 billion, covering the 2031 to 2034 delivery period. Simulator modernization accounts for roughly €412 million, funded through both the special fund and the regular defense budget. Additional EK electronic warfare development extends to 2033, including allocations for components, test facilities, and qualification programs. Separately, lawmakers approved around €53 million for 27 by 145 mm frangible armor-piercing ammunition to replenish stocks for both Eurofighter and Tornado aircraft. These funding allocations reflect a measured but comprehensive approach to upgrading Germany's fast jet capabilities while maintaining operational readiness across multiple mission sets. Ultimately, the Tranche 5 Eurofighter program represents a transformative shift in German air power. It moves the Luftwaffe away from dependence on aging Tornado aircraft toward a modern, multi-role fleet with embedded electronic warfare capabilities. By investing in both hardware and training infrastructure, Germany ensures that pilots, mission systems, and industrial production are aligned to sustain operations for decades. The program also clarifies Germany's division of labor with F-35A aircraft, guaranteeing that low observable penetration and nuclear sharing obligations are met, while Eurofighter jets provide day-to-day air policing, surge capability, and a robust electronic combat footprint. This strategic investment positions Germany to remain a key contributor to NATO air operations, offering persistent, scalable, and technologically advanced capabilities well into the mid-21st century.